Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. It's 10 p.m. right now in Arizona. I know it's a super late live stream. I'm gonna try to keep it super short and sweet. Today we had an amazing live trading session. I took a couple trades after I posted my profits, but I feel like I owe you guys a recap, explaining a little bit more about it. My biggest focus, again, no surprise, was direction. All I focused on today was dgaz. I took a total of 21 orders, and I want to share this with you. I took my first order at 7:46 a.m. So if you watched the video that I uploaded live, right, or I streamed live with the Learn Plan Profit Group and everyone, I do a free live stream once a month. Today was that live stream. It was a lot of fun. It wasn't the most profitable. I think I was up about like 250, 260. And then I hit my daily goal, 30 minutes after that. So it was fun. I traded for about like 50 minutes. This was my first, actually no, my first trade, things went south. I had to manage my risk and I actually sold for a loss. I was down like $30. And then my second day trade, I ended up making $260 profit on the day. So I was up about like 300 on the open, locked it in, $260 profit. I took a couple other day trades, my last one at 10:48 a.m. I traded a little bit later than I normally do. So I started trading at 7:46. I finished at 10:48 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And I ended the day, as you guys can see, all my positions are closed. I ended the day at $1,001.04 profit. But again, why? Why did I pay so much attention to natural gas? If you guys are on dgaz, if you guys see within the Learn Plan Profit live trading session today, super short and sweet, natural gas was selling off. It became super overbought. It began to pull back. And then once we had that confirmation, I took my position, like we said, right, on dgaz. Once that was in our favor, what did I say within that live stream? Nothing has to happen. Patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't have to, right? But one of the things that I saw is that, again, natural gas throughout the entire pre-market session was selling off. It wasn't until market open that it began to pick up. If you're part of Learn Plan Profit and you've watched me trade before, you know that this happens pretty often. It's a pattern. It doesn't have to happen, but it pushes up. Not sure why, but then it begins to pull back. And that's what we were expecting. We waited for confirmation. The direction was in our favor. So as natural gas sells off, and based off of previous support levels, you guys could see that it had a previous support right around 2.21. It ended up selling off, selling off, selling off. Not only did it sell off to 2.21, but it ended up hitting lows of 2.18. Obviously, I did not hold throughout this entire process, or else I would be up much more than I was. But I just wanted you guys to understand that because of my focus on direction and because seeing that natural gas was selling off, it made it very simple for me. It made it very easy and enjoyable for me to take my positions on dgaz. That's simple. So I'm going to click show trades just so you guys can see all of my trades. And yes, from where I sold, it's still gapped up so much more. And just so you guys can see, these were all my entries, all my exits. I made $1,001.04 profit, and that is really just it. You guys can see my average position size was about 200 shares or 250, depending on how aggressive I was approaching it. So about $40,000 is what I was working with when I was fully invested in my trade. So trading dgaz with 200 or 250 shares, average of about $37,000. I did about 2.5% growth today. I don't always hit $1,000 profit every single day, especially as I began to trade with a little bit less. I tend to aim for $500 profit. That's a goal that I work towards. But let's be honest, natural gas continued to sell off. I really saw it super easy for me to, again, every day is not like this, but there's such a consistent pattern. And when we seek opportunity and when it presents itself, it is our job as day traders to take advantage of it. And I feel like I did a pretty good job with that. So again, all together on the day, $1,001 profit, all positions closed. There is one day left, and that is tomorrow, for us to make the most of what 2019 has to offer. I just want to be your friendly little reminder that, again, you are not here to impress anyone. It's you want to enjoy what it is that you do every single day. If you guys saw within the live trading session today, one of the reasons that I believe I do so well in this market is obviously I've invested enough time into it, but on top of that, I personally really do enjoy what I do. So if you are so obsessed about the dollar amount and it's becoming draining and it's like an inconvenience to trade, then I'm not too sure if you're built for it, right? But if you enjoy it as a day trader, I enjoy the challenge. I love being tested with my patience, with my discipline, with a huge area of opportunity for me. I absolutely was not good at managing risk. And guess what? It's something that I'm working on getting better every single day. But that's the beautiful part about being a trader, the beautiful part about being an investor, the beautiful part about being an entrepreneur is that no one's perfect, but it's our effort to work towards getting as close to perfect as possible that makes us so special. So I wanted to do a quick little recap on the day. One of the things that I did want to talk about very, very quickly, I do apologize, is that looking at /NG, one of the things that you see going on here is that from where it sold off to what we're seeing right now, it looks like natural gas is building a support. So again, it's much easier said than done right now. It looks like it's building a support. We'll see how the market opens tomorrow, and hopefully we can work towards a decent opportunity. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Friendly little reminder, if you guys want to watch me trade as soon as tomorrow, there's the $75 off coupon. It's an option. It's not something that you have to do. But if you want to join our Learn Plan Profit team and watch me trade live every day, it's the only option that I offer to be able to work with you on a closer basis. So again, that's that first link down below. It's a $75 off sale if you want to take part of that. And again, it includes the full A to Z video lesson library, the full access to the live trading session every day, Monday through Friday, and of course, access to our private Discord chat. So I appreciate you guys' time. I wish you guys an amazing and blessed rest of your 2019. I hope you guys, like we always say, end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.